If you own a Cricut, you know the struggle with glossy paper is real. I love making my own stickers, but every time I use glossy paper, I end up frustrated because my Cricut won't read the registration marks properly. The result? Stickers cut the wrong way, wasted paper, and precious time down the drain. If you've ever Googled this issue, you'll probably find a bunch of hacks that supposedly work. But do they really? Well, I made a list of the most popular tricks, and today we're going to put them to the test. Or at least like 4 of them, because some were weird, like use the Cricut in the dark. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's start. Trick number 1, fake corners. This hack involves printing registration marks on plain paper, cutting them out and placing them over the glossy paper's marks. You have to place the corners perfectly or your Cricut will still cut everything wrong. It actually works, but it's a lot of work, and that's why I'm giving it 2 stars. Too much work. Trick number 2, permanent marker. Grab a Sharpie and trace over the registration marks. Simple, right? Sharpies dry matte, and that's why this trick works like magic. I tested this one a few times and only had one bad cut, so it's a pretty solid option. And I will definitely recommend. That's why I'm giving it a 4 stars. Not a 5 because it didn't work a few times, but it works most of the time. Trick number 3, matte tape. Just like the marker trick, this hack makes the registration marks matte by placing clear tape over them. It works sometimes. I'll say about 70% of the time maybe. This used to be my go-to hack, to be honest. I've used a ton of matte tape in the past because it actually works, but it's not super reliable. And that's why I'm giving it 3 stars. It is less reliable than the permanent mark. Trick number 4. I saw this hack online and was skeptical, but oh my god, it works. I used Sharpie highlighters to trace the registration marks, and the best part is you don't have to be super precise. This one became one of my favorite hacks after filming this video. It's quick, easy, and pretty reliable. Not 100%, but close enough. That's why I'm giving it 4 stars. This one is my favorite. Final scores. In conclusion, they all work, but not 100% of the time. The lowest score will be the fake corners. Of course, it's too much work. No one really wants to do that, even though it works. And the highest score and the winner, highlighters. Of course, is easier and is best overall. That's my winner. If you're struggling with your Cricut and glossy paper, give these hacks a try. Have you tested any of these before? Do you have any secret hacks I should try next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let me give you a bonus. If you want to use holographic film, that film is super glossy and the Cricut just won't read it because it's gonna give the registration mark the sparkle, you know, the holographic effect, and the Cricut will just struggle with that. So please make sure you cut the holographic film smaller than the registration mark area. Don't let the holographic film touch the registration marks and you will have a perfect cut most of the time. Thank you for watching and bye bye.